Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Pacer Pro and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Polar Flow application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Polar Flow application on the phone that is paired with our watch. And once you open the app, you will see the Today page. Now tap on the menu icon to open the menu, then tap on Devices. And here you should see your Polar Pacer Pro on the page. Once you see it, find the option called Phone Notifications. And as you can see, at the moment it is turned off. And to turn it on, simply tap on On. And if you get any pop-ups about the permissions, as you can see, allow them. You need to allow the required permissions. So keep tapping on Allow. If you see this pop-up, tap on Turn On. It will redirect you to notification access. And here you need to tap on the Polar Flow app, tap on the button, tap on Allow, and then repeat for the second one, like this. Okay, then we can go back to the app. And now you should be able to turn on and off the notifications. You can also select the mode for them. We have always on, training on, and training off. And once you're done and you turn on the notifications, you will need to sync your watch with the phone so the settings can apply. So press and hold the back button, keep holding it until you see connecting to phone, and it should start syncing with your phone. And once it's done, the notifications should work. So let's wait. Okay, it's done. Now we can close the app, and at this point we should be able to receive the notifications. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. As you can see, we received the notification on our phone and also on our watch. And to view the notification on the watch, I believe you need to press the up or down button on the home screen to scroll through the widgets. Or maybe not, maybe we need to press the back button and then scroll down through the menu. Yes, through the menu right here, select the notifications and then press the middle button. And here we have our notification, and you can read it, you can clear it, or you can mark it as read. And once you're done, you can close the menu by pressing the back button to go back to watch face, like this. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.